Hey, visit the link in the description for a special surprise just for you.
In System.io, users can create training courses and sell them. But if you're a course creator, you might want to sell several courses together. And this is what our course bundle feature is for. To create a course bundle, just head to the Products tab and click Course Bundles. In a nutshell, course bundled content is a way to group multiple courses together that can be sold together at one price. Keep in mind that this bundled content is sold usually at a discounted price from the combined price of the individual courses as a way to encourage sales. Now, a course bundle in System.io can contain 2 or more training courses. And to create a bundle, you just click on Create, give it a name, and save it. And now that it has been created, we just need to add the courses inside. So just click on Add Course and select the courses that you want to add from the list. Of course, in order to see courses here, it would need to be created beforehand. So let's choose the first one, and then let's go for the second one. And here you can see they've been added to the course bundle. Now we can add delays to the courses inside our bundles, meaning we can decide on a period of time before our students get access to the courses inside the bundle. To do this, just go to the 3-dot menu, click on Settings, and add the number of days you would like the system to wait before giving access to this specific course in the bundle. Since I added a 5-day delay to the second course, it means if someone buys or gets access to the bundle, they will immediately get access to the first course and will wait 5 days to get access to the second one. Something to note here is that when you are setting up your bundle inside your funnels order form, you must choose to drip the content in order for this delay to work. Otherwise, if you choose full access, then the delay won't work. So let's go to our funnels to see how course bundles are sold. Just click on the funnel where you will sell it, then go to your order form, select digital product, and choose the course bundle from the resources list. Once you do that, just look for the course bundle you want to sell, and then go ahead and choose the access type. So remember, if you want your courses inside the bundle to have a delay, choose drip. Since we actually want a 5-day delay, I'll choose drip content, and then you can choose the order in which your courses are accessed. So you can choose to give them in the order you added them to the bundle. In this case, you would choose from the start, or manually select the one you would like to give access to first. Now let's take a look at the options we have for a course bundle. So if you open your bundle's 3-dot menu, the first option is to view the bundle. By clicking on it, you'll open it, and then you can edit the content of your bundle. You can add more courses or remove courses. Next, we can deactivate the bundle. And if we do this, your student will no longer have access to the bundle. So make sure that you let them know beforehand. Then for your settings, you can change the bundle's name. Keep in mind, this name is only visible to you or the owner of the account. And finally, we have the remove button. So you would use this if you want to completely remove the bundle. You don't want it there anymore. Just confirmed, and it will be removed. Now let's talk about student lists. This is the option right below course bundles in the Products tab. You would come here to see all the students who are enrolled in at least one of your courses. So as you can see, let's pretend this one is one of my students. So I'm able to see their name, their email, the progress with the course that they enrolled in, and the last date and time they logged in or engaged with the course. Then if you want even more information on a specific student, just click on their email and you will see the list of courses the student is currently enrolled in. You will also see the status of the course and the access type. Then if we go to the 3-dot menu, we get 2 options. The first one is to dismiss or remove this student's access to the course. So if you click here, they will lose their access completely. But if for some reason you want to give the access back, you would just go to the menu again and click on Reactivate and Confirm. By reactivating their access, they will receive an email where they can log back in. You can also resend the access email at any point in time. This email is sent automatically upon enrollment. But if for some reason they don't get it or lost it, you can send it again here easily. You can also use the options right here to give manual access to more courses or course bundles. So you would choose the course that you want to give access to here, and then choose the access type and click Add. And the same goes for bundles. If you wanted to add a specific student to a bundle, you would just look for it here and click on Add. There's another resource that we have here, and that is being able to download the session log history of your students. This is a really valuable resource because you can see more detailed information about your students' activity. The way you would do this is by going to your course settings and activating the option to export this file. Once the option is enabled, it will appear right here, and you would be able to download the spreadsheet. Upon opening the spreadsheet, you'll access information like the time your students spent on each lecture and module.
Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe.